So now we are discussing the next type of topology, that is the hybrid topology. Well, talking about the hybrid topology, as the name signify, that is the combination of different topologies. Means if you are going to combine the different topology, that becomes the hybrid topology. So I'm making one diagram to make you understand. Let us suppose that we are having the bus topology. So these are the three bus topologies. Assuming that there are few systems which are placed, let us suppose 1, 2 and 3. So this one is the one bus topology. There is one more bus topology, assuming two systems are there, 4 and 5. I am giving the separate number to make you understand. So these are the taps. Taps should be there. We know that tap is like the connector. Assuming there is one more bus topology which also contain the three system, 6, 7 and 8, and they are connected with the wire and becoming the bus topology. So these are the three bus topologies I have taken. We can say that this is the bus topology 1, this is the bus topology 2, and this is the bus topology 3. So I have opted one bus topology and three buses are there, and now I am going to merge them with the star topology. I am making the hub like this. It is standing. So this is the hub which is placed. Assume that there are three ports which are available to the hub. Now we know that three wires are coming out and now they are connected to the bus topology. So that this complete topology is the hybrid topology, because on the left hand side we can see that there is a star topology. So this topology is the star topology. Here you can see that one star topology and three bus topologies are merged, and if such type of topology we are going to make, then these are called the hybrid. Hybrid means the combination of the multiple topologies. Now we are discussing the few topologies which are not there into many books, just like the tree topology. This is not as important topology and it is not available in many of the books, but yes, we are discussing because we must know what is the tree topology. So I'm making one diagram to make you understand. Now let us suppose that we are having a terminal for the computer, say 1. It is having the branches like this, 2 and 3. It is further having the branches 4, 5, 6. This is the branch of 3, 7. We can see that this way a tree is created. So if the computers are connected in such a fashion, they are making the tree. So that is called the tree topology. There is one more topology which is not there into the books. That is the interconnecting ring topology. So interconnecting ring topology. I'm making one example diagram to make you understand. Now, assuming that there are few systems, let us suppose I'm taking the example of 4 computers. They are forming a ring like 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is one ring. Assuming that there are 3 more computers, we can say that 5, 6 and 7, they are also making a ring. Now here you can see that there are 2 ring topologies which are connected them with the help of a single computer, that is 2. That's why we are saying interconnecting ring. Means 2 rings are interconnected with each other with the help of a certain computer, which is 2. So this is the interconnecting ring topology. Actually in the books there are standard topologies, which is mash, star, bus and ring, and hybrid topologies afterward. So tree and interconnecting ring is not there into many of the books. So these are all topologies in the computer networks.